Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top favorite 3 profitable KDP keywords in order to help you create more medium content and low content books that are profitable. So these keywords have been carefully researched using the 4 free Chrome extensions. You can access all Chrome extensions for free, and I've also made a video a while ago explaining all of the Chrome extensions that I use, as well as how to install them and use them correctly. That video will be linked in the description box below. Now, before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, we do daily videos talking about Amazon KDP keywords, as well as tips and strategies to help you make passive income online. So I'm going to be sharing with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords. One is a trivia type of keyword, which is one of the most profitable keywords that I've come across in a while. And also the second one is about a journal to do with shadow work, and the third one is a keyword that is quite profitable as well, and I'll keep that for a surprise. So let's get started with our first keyword for the day, and our first keyword for the day is hockey trivia book. Super simple and quite profitable as well. We have a really strong solid keyword niche score of 67 by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension, which gives us all this beautiful data right over here. So I'm quite happy with the keyword niche score. It is quite strong and profitable as well. We also have the total results under 1,000, and they're currently sitting at 853. Also, the average bestseller rank is quite acceptable as well. Usually I like it to be around that 300,000 to 450. This one is currently sitting at an average of 557,000 and 818. I'm quite happy with that. I'll just create a book or 2 about this keyword to be exact, and I'll move on to the next one, because if the bestseller rank was a little bit lower, then I would dedicate more time and energy, but yet I'm offering you this keyword because it has a really strong solid keyword niche score. Total results are nice as well, and I'm quite personally happy with the bestseller rank, and I hope you take advantage of this. Also, this keyword is about a trivia book to do with hockey, and it would be maybe nice to head over to Creative Fabrica and see what kind of elements they have. Maybe they have an interior to do with trivia hockey. If not, maybe they have a sports related interior that has sections to do with hockey and other different sports as well. If not, then you can go and create your own hockey trivia book or outsource that. You can also use ChatGPT in order to come up with maybe some of the questions or some of the activities in there as well. Just make sure you rephrase them. Make sure you also disclose to Amazon KDP that you used AI tools like ChatGPT as assistants, or use them for specific parts of the book as well. You will not be punished. Amazon KDP is not currently against AI content. They just want you to disclose that, and it would also be wise to rewrite it as well to make sure that it is unique. So hockey trivia book is an amazing keyword. Let us go and talk about the second keyword for now, and our second keyword is to do with the journal prompts. Now, it is quite specific. It is shadow work healing journal prompts men. So it is a journal that is to do with prompts specifically for men about shadow work, and it has a strong, really solid keyword niche score of 82, which is fabulous, and a keyword niche score of number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. These 2 keyword scores both complement each other beautifully, and they both indicate profitability. And also the total results are under 1,000. They're currently sitting at 301. The average bestseller rank is also within that 300 to 400,000 range, which is good to see, and it is averaging 454,196. Average reviews of 435, and we have the average price of $13.50. It would be also wise to create an 8.5 times 11-inch book that is a large print, and specifically journal prompts for men to help them with shadow work, to help them, to guide them to improve their mental health, health to help them with self-awareness as well. So include a really nice cover. And just scrolling down, you want to avoid any of the sponsored books because all the data is not organic. Unfortunately, it's been because there are ads running. So you want to focus on books that have a bestseller rank that are not sponsored. This one, for example, as well, we do have this one, Shadow Workbook for Men, which has a beautiful bestseller rank of 195,783. Also, we have a couple of others that are ranking quite well as well. This one with a bestseller rank of 109,188. Now notice that there's nothing to do with shadow work right over here in the title or in the subtitle, but they've used this wonderful keyword to rank in the first page. So it's because the product is a journal to help men with mental health. So if you currently have a journal to help men with mental health, or it's about self-discovery, or it's about healing for men specifically, then go ahead and add this wonderful keyword to your 7 keyword slots in order to get your book ranking for this keyword. So let's head over to the third and final keyword for today's video, and it is a logbook type of keyword. It is diabetes logbook for type 2 small. Now by the word small, we understand that it is a small size, which is, it could be an 8.5 times 8.5 inches. It could be a 6 times 9 inches, which is a lovely size for logbook. So avoid any larger sizes such as an 8.5 times 11 inches. Avoid these and focus on either 8.5 times 8.5 or the 6 by 9, and it's going to be a logbook type, but specifically for type 2 diabetes. So it's a really niched down topic. We have a keyword niche score of 50 by Self-Publishing Titans and a keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche and beautifully complementing with the 50 right over here. Coming to the total results that are currently sitting at 2,904, a little bit on the higher side, but I'm not too concerned because when it comes to logbook and specifically about diabetes, these tend to have more total results and more larger bestseller rank. So it's really good for us to have to come across this keyword. I will personally be taking advantage of this, and I highly recommend you do create a logbook, 1 or 2, and then pin it on Pinterest once or twice a week and move on to the next more profitable keyword. So the average bestseller rank is currently averaging 590,197. The average reviews are 91. Average price is $6.98. You can also get interiors available, for example, in sites like Creative Fabrica. Just make sure you change the interiors around. And let's quickly have a look to see if there is any interiors available under this keyword, which is diabetes logbook for type 2. We have a couple of different ones, but specifically try to make it for type 2. If there's nothing mentioned about type 2 diabetes, then maybe include as you edit and as you tweak the interior, make sure you add customized information to do with type 2 diabetes, maybe some fun facts, maybe some important background information as well, to make it specifically for type 2 rather than type 1 diabetes. So I wish you all the best. Now quickly summarizing the 3 keywords for today's video, starting with hockey trivia book with a keyword niche score of 67. Our second one was shadow work healing journal prompts men with a keyword niche score of 82. And lastly, we have diabetes logbook for type 2 small with a keyword niche score of 50. I wish you all the best. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.